17021-2015 standard? Look no further than our ISO 17021-2015 Complete Documentation Kit. This all-in-one package includes everything you need to understand and implement ISO 17021-2015. From a comprehensive user manual to customizable templates for quality management procedures, this kit has it all. Our kit is designed to save you time and money while ensuring that your audit meets ISO 17021-2015 standards. With our easy-to-use templates and clear instructions, you'll be on your way to certification in no time. Our complete documentation kit has been carefully crafted by experienced experts in quality management. You can trust that our kit meets all the necessary requirements and is up to date with the most recent changes to the standard. Benefits of this kit include saving valuable time, reduced costs, increased efficiency, and an improved opportunity to meet customer requirements and win contracts. Plus, our kit ensures that your customer trusts in your company's ability to maintain a high-quality management standard. Invest in our ISO 17021-2015 Complete Documentation Kit today. It's the ultimate tool to help you meet the standard and achieve certification.